welcome back to my channel, MaddCrafty. Today is day 11 of 25 days of holiday crafts, and I have a special guest with me. Hi, buddy. Thank you. This is my rescue puppy, Mikkolo. He's 4 years old. You can follow him at Mick and Mad. Today we are making really easy 3-ingredient paw print ornaments with your little guy. Buddy. Mwah. Everything you need will be listed in the description box below. First, let's get started on our dough, shall we? Okay, let's do it. Okay, so we have our dough here. Now is maybe the tricky part, trying to get the paw print in there. You think we can do it? Okay. We are gonna put our paw, oh thank you. We're gonna put our paw in, okay? Can you try? Ready? Thank you. Can we put your paw in? Let's put our paw in really easy. And just press it down. Good boy, thank you. Okay, that's all we need for now. All that's left to do is to hang it on your tree. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to me. If you make one of these, please tag me at MaddCrafty on Instagram or email me at info@maddcrafty.com so I can see what you made. And most importantly, thank you, Miko. Mwah. I love you. Happy holidays. See you next time. Oh, time for a nap. Good boy. That was perfect.